actually really love talking about operations because what we're talking about is how things flow and if they flow easily. Operations is about time and efficiency and systems. We've heard about systems, right? But that type of thinking didn't start until the 1950s. A guy named Jay Forrester decided he was going to apply engineering principles to business. And he started looking at how can we look at business from the point of view of systems to create a loop of continuous improvement. And what he recognized at the time was analysis was really big back then. That's when you pull everything apart and you separate out the pieces of the business. There's the marketing and the sales and your people, and which might include HR. And then so pulling the whole business apart and looking at them separately. He says that's a mistake. And that's the idea behind systems thinking, that you actually look at it as a whole. I like to compare the way that we look at Western medicine and Eastern medicine. You know, with Eastern medicine, Ayurveda medicine, for example, they're looking at the whole body and your symptoms around that, not just one particular part. In the West, we go to a foot doctor, and that wouldn't happen in the East necessarily. And so systems thinking is holistic thinking and noticing how things flow from one to the other, and then noticing, even more importantly, when a system is missing or when something feels hard or difficult. Okay, one of the ways that you can start to get your people to think in terms of systems is to talk about it every meeting. Talk about it all the time. When something is really, really working, say, why is this working? What's the flow here? Is there anything that might make it better? When something's not working or something just went terribly wrong, it could be what system is missing, what system don't we need, or what system is it time to upgrade? But don't wait for something to go wrong or something to go right. What if it's this continuous inquiry that you're having with your team? Hey, is there a system that, or is there something we've been doing for a really long time that we shouldn't be doing anymore? Or we've had this same software for 10 years. Is there something better out there right now? Who can look into that? What could we make simpler? What could we eliminate? Where could we save time and energy? Where are we doing duplicate work? Come up with one question to ask your team every single meeting. What you'll find is they have the answer, and you'll get them to start thinking of the business as a conversation around continuous improvement.